Hi everyone, and welcome to the snowiest final exam week I can ever remember having. I'm so glad that we are working online this week. So after you turn in your final research paper, and make sure that you do that first, you should work on the final exam reflection, which I have posted here. It comes along with a short reading on reflective learning. This is something that I want you to spend a couple of hours on, really thoughtfully thinking about, not something I want you to stress out about a lot. Most students do really well on their reflection, but I want to make sure that you put some serious time into thoughtfully considering your work, using specific examples from your work over the course of the semester, and making sure that you are carefully editing. So just make sure you turn that in before Friday. I am completely overwhelmed with work. Not only the work that everyone's turned in this week, but a couple people have turned in a lot of late work. So I have, as much papers to grade as there is snow outside right now. So I'm going to grade in order of when things were turned in. Research papers that came in on time, I will grade first. Anything that came in late will have to happen later. And I'll only have time to make comments, maybe for the amount of stuff that came in on time. I'll do my best to respond to everything, but I don't know if it's humanly possible. But I will be around all week, and I have a good amount of availability to meet if there's anything that you want to talk about. And I really look forward to grading your final essays and reading your reflections. So take care, keep in touch if you have questions, and enjoy all the snow.